Hi, I'm Craig Smalley, co-founder of Wild Hog Products. My business partner and I created this company because we were frustrated there weren't simple solutions for our own backyards. We sold railing systems on a daily basis and noticed the complexity that created pain points in the supply chain. We believed that there needed to be simple solutions that anyone could install, whether you're a pro or a DIYer. So we decided to create those solutions ourselves. So Wild Hog set out to create a simple, great looking, easy to install railing solution. A system that maintained your views and provided long-term durability and performance. What we didn't know was that our simple railing product was going to be the ultimate simplified solution for DIYers and professionals on projects we had not even thought of yet. From our humble beginnings in 2014, we've become a leading provider of high-quality products to over 2,000 stocking dealer locations across the US and Canada. Wild Hog products are high quality, customizable, and versatile. Anyone can install this panel. Wild Hog panels can be used for railings around decks and fencing, can be installed as a decorative fence topper, or as simple as a fence panel that allows you to enjoy your view. They can also be used with gates, arbors, gardens, trellises, even interior projects. There's so many ways to use these panels. All you have to do is get creative. Our products are rare in that they're created by someone actually working in the construction field. Wild Hog panels are a precision welded 6-gauge galvanized steel hog panel. Each panel receives a 4-stage phosphate bath followed by a zinc-rich 2-coat primer to help reduce corrosion and ensure durability. Once the second zinc primer is applied to the 6-gauge galvanized wire panel, the final touch, powder coating, is applied. This final step takes the panel from good to great, and this is where it becomes an official Wild Hog panel. Wild Hog 6-gauge panels come in 4 convenient sizes: 3 foot by 6 foot, 3 foot by 8 foot, 5 foot by 6 foot, and our 6 foot by 8 foot panel that's mainly used for fencing. The 3 by 6 and 3 by 8 panels are primarily used for railing, and the 5 by 6 can be used for stairs on a deck or inside your home. In our woven line, the Tahoe Hog is a carbon steel wire, 3/8 inch in a matte black finish. And the Smoky Mountain Hog is a 1/4 inch carbon steel wire in a matte black finish. In the welded line, the USS Hog is 3/16 marine grade stainless steel 6-gauge wire. And the USS Stealth Fighter Hog is also 6-gauge marine grade stainless steel powder coated in black. Installation of Wild Hog panels couldn't be easier. It's simple and intuitive. Our introduction of the Hog Track kit in 2019 was a complete game changer. The Hog Track kit comes with everything you need for a simple installation. Each kit contains pre-cut Hog Track pieces for the top, bottom, and sides, along with countersunk pre-drilled holes, mounting screws, and hog tusks. Everything you need to create an ICC-approved, code-compliant infill panel when properly installed in a post and rail system that meets all local building code requirements. If you need to customize your panel size, no problem. All panels can be customized at the project site to meet design requirements. Hog tusks eliminate metal-on-metal contact, creating a tight and rattle-proof installation. Hog tracks can be used for an elevated look and nicely frame your railing for a clean, modern farmhouse look. Wild Hog panels retail for less than most railing products in the market today. And the versatility, customization, and simplified installation make it one of the most cost-effective solutions in the lumber industry. So why choose Wild Hog? First, it's an obvious and simple solution. Second, because of its versatility. It can be used with any type of decking materials: treated wood, cedar, redwood, composite, tropical hardwoods, PVC, you name it. Third, it's also great for things beyond railings, like fencing, gardens, trellises, pergolas, interior railings, commercial projects, and so much more. Our products have been a big win for our partners across the US and Canada in both residential and commercial applications. Our products are unlike anything in the market today. They're simple, beautiful, affordable, and easy to install. If you'd like to learn more about our products and partnerships, please visit our website or email me directly. At Wild Hog, we're committed to creating products that inspire your creativity one panel at a time.